What's up, gang? We back. Gap down. If this is a topic tail, I will take it long. It's decent space to go back to the MAs. In fact, could look to take it soon. I was gonna add right there, but let's see. D. Not playing out as I thought. Ooh, this looks good to go short on. This gap is already freaking huge, first of all. This gap is already huge. Makes these bars look tiny. And this bar is freaking massive for whatever reason. Well, this looks decent to go long. About to clear over these. And then ooh, short. Ooh, ooh. I missed it though, so we could go back to that. Ooh, this is pretty violent on JPM into position. Like this is clear and obvious violence. 2-bar sequence. Merc. Very nice gap up, but it is gapping up into the, or nice gap up and follow through to the, but it's like into the 200. Man, it's pretty on the 15 minute. It's nice though. You know what? You know what? -1, -2, maybe pushing -3. I don't know how much follow you would expect on this, but here you get the tail bar takeout. 15 minute actually looks pretty good, man. It's right below this 200. Looks like it caught through now. For short. Oh, JPM had that bounce right there. I get a pullback right now, maybe holding that 200, and I get a cut the chain, and I'll probably look to go long. And at this point, the MAs look like they're being disrespected anyways. Violence has taken over. Oh, this looks like a nice tail to go long, potentially. Decent space to go up. And this looks pretty good to short. two tails. I want something clean though. If this triggers a color change, I'll take it, because your entry on this elephant probably would have been here on anticipation. This color change isn't too far away. This is like a 2-lotter maybe. Entry at 38, stop at 58. Or it's like a 5-lotter at 38. 20-cent bar. $38. This is pretty wide. Would need like a fat tail bar or elephant bar showing violence to the upside here to go long. There you go. Like this here. See how this closes. Alright, let's get one lot on that. We'll put our stop at the bottom. Maybe getting color change right there. Let's see where this. Probably look to take some profits into the 107 low number. So my average price is 105.79. I'm gonna put my stop 50 cents below at 105.29. This looks good on the 5. Let this thing run. Ideally, this 5-minute bar closes strong, and I could just trail my stop later. Take one off at 107. How many do I have? One, two. It's looking pretty bullish right now. I think this could pop all the way to the 20. For now, I could just break even, already have $1 on every lot. I'm gonna draw into this big bar. I have $200. I'm not gonna lose 200 and an extra 100 on top of that. My stops under this bar, 0613, big bar. Yeah, I'll probably look to this profit right here. 15 just getting wiped out that whole red bar. Just clear the 8. It should keep going. This might be an ad right here. I don't know if I would take it because one, two, is getting into profit-taking territory. But if I did add, I probably would have just took them all off here as well. Could probably look to bar by bar now. Lock in at least $1 under this bar. I think this could go up, bro. For sure. You get this wide space. -2, which you could take some long, is 180. Beautiful follow. It should continue. Did a color change right here. Now it's time that people just accumulate some size. Now it's time to push it up right here. I didn't add there though because it's acknowledged it, right? Next time when I do see it, I could take it. It's never even bar by bar out yet. Look, here, here, looking for 50 more cents, 40 more cents to the MAs. I got 1, 2. Definitely could take profits now. For this gap fill, about 50% of it. Moment of truth here. This needs to hold 107. Pop up. Where's the 8 MA? I'm one off bar by bar. It's got bullish momentum though. Might have to have this color change right here. I still was under this book. That holds 200 right here. I should have taken some profits in this one. Let's see if it triggers over this color change. I'll add and pull that stop. The 106. Holds it. One 664. AXP did drop. Look at this a bit. That Disney. Oh, waiting for an ad here. The resistance. It was here, remember? Not looking good. And 50% of this hold, first of all. Yeah, I should probably get out. 613. I probably should. Let's give it like 2 more minutes. 'Cause this is a pullback in the 50%. Can it go up like this? The moment of truth. Oh, I'm out at the very bottom of this bar. 106.13. See if it triggering it. 30. Oh, I'm just going off of this based on pulling back to the 50% mark and giving me a color change. This might not go. Uh, yeah, I just thought that this looks good to show. 76 minus 61. 6 lot 51. Go up, and it's because the pullback wasn't even anything too violent. Pullback 50%. It's happening. I wicked out. I should have left my stop down here. 0613 below the big bar. So I'll go 6 lots, so 61. This triggers. It's already put it out low. Six lots at 60. This one. Ooh, I'm still gonna have my stop up. 7. barely triggered here. That's 76. Oh, that's 76. That's a topping tail. It should be bearish, but hasn't followed through so far. Out at 76. The moment of truth. $76. Hasn't triggered yet. But it is getting over the 20 MA now. Next bar has to clear down or it's over. It might be over. Come on, let's get some bearish momentum. What's the top of this? Over that too. Yeah. Triggers over that, that's a break of the 20 and also stop out. Let's get this thing to drop, man. Is the 8 there or something? 8 is getting messy. That AMD fakey. Looks like I thought it was gonna go. But what did it turn into? A freaking tail at the 20 MA. Putting in that lower high. Alright. Time to milk some shorts on this one. Beautiful bar in the 5-minute. A pull back into this zone would be nice to short. It looks like I'm finally getting follow through on the Disney. This bar needs to close like this and stronger. It most definitely triggered now though. Cleared this. If you could get under this, that's pretty bearish momentum. Be back, yo. Alright, we're back and it's not looking good. I wasn't paying attention. I probably should have moved my stop on top of this bar, big bar stop, because this green bar is something else. You see this? It was not able to get below that pivot. Here's a double bottom forming on that. Yeah, I should probably get out if this bar gets taken out a bit earlier at 74. I don't think it's gonna follow through down after that green bar. And if it was gonna follow through, it would have already done it. Boom, boom. Break below this. I do not like to see that big ass green bar. If this big ass green bar gets wiped out right now, shit, I'm gonna double down and add on that bear 180. But as of now, it does not look good. Pullback right here. Looking good to go short. If it takes this color out, I will do what I said and double down. We're going all lots on that. Is on the 8 as well in the 5 minute, so that's a good look too. If it could wipe it out, it's going to become a tail bar. Okay, psych, it's not. The enemy is already hooking. It's holding that 20. What did I get out at? 80.71. After a big green bar like that, it just put in a color change. This looks good on Apple. To go long, stop below the bar. Because it's a pretty big bar. Just cleared this and this. If you draw it out, boom, pull back, going again. Has room to move on the 1 hour, 15, and now 5. This thing is just going choppy. Might try one lot here with the max loss. On a confirmation entry. In fact, how big is this bar? 83 minus 57. 26 cents. Might go 3 lots at 83 on that small ass bar. Boom. Is that an elephant? I don't know. But it's staying in the upper range. If the next market color change, I'm gonna go 3 lots. These are tiny ass bars though. Just go ahead and do it. Stop at 49. This is super tight. I'm trying to play the acorns. They either work or they don't. I should know real soon. If this pops up over 90, I'm good. But if it pops to 49, I'm out. Look at the vision. Boom, pull back. You get this bar clearing. Tiny bars. Maybe added a bit too early, or entered a bit too early. But if this thing pops up real quick, boom, 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 fills in the gap. That would be nice. Give myself maybe one more trade after this, win or loss. Well, it looks like Disney potentially held. Where was my stop? Here. Didn't stop out. Also not following through though. Equal lows, equal lows. Oh shoot. Damn, the slippage on that thing. 4 cents. Am I seeing things or what? Boom, boom. That looks clearing. I guess it never triggered. My entry was a bit too early. This over the top triggers at 88. This one triggers at 82, 83. This one triggers at 80. Too small, man. See if we could find one more trade today. CVX looks good to short. Disney, man, I don't even know what's up with Disney. This thing should have gone follow through. Didn't get anything. I was up on AMD this morning. Pretty nice long. This looks pretty good actually. Tail bar plus, tail bar. These are basically identical. This tail bar plus. You get this over here. It's basically the same thing but in 2 bars, right? This did it in 1 bar. This did it in 2 bars. Apple's probably gonna follow AMD, to be honest. They move pretty similarly. The drop at the beginning, rally, rally. Just different degrees of how they move though. This drop all the way 100% retracement. Boom. Disney still not producing follow through. Flat 20 now. If AMD could get me a 20 MA hop, I'll try to take that. Square. Square looks pretty good to go long. Boom. drop, trip is here, stop. Got triple swings. Yep. It's a high back. This is crazy. Here's like minus. Boom. Profits. 3-bar pullback. That's pretty crazy. Disney actually going now? If I were to trade Disney, I gotta wait for it to clear these lows. I'm not gonna let this thing trick me. At this point, it has no momentum. Boom, boom, boom. It has sideways momentum. Boom. If it could break through, start trending down, 20 starts coming down, I'll catch the first pullback. I won't try it here. It might be going actually. 1 hour has room to move down. 15 has room to move down. Same with these. The only obstruction is like left side price action. But it should be able to drop. Ready? One bar color change, is that real? Is this real? It's coming right into this 200. Real or not, I would have my stop at 0684. That's not enough to save me on this 15-minute anyways. I'd like to see more of a pullback. This 20 is conflicting, but this has space to fill the gap. Big ass bar and S books looking violent. Do you see any follow through? No. This thing just went down. Down, 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 down. JPM looking long. CBX could short. This is low-key clear. This is low-key clearing this bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's low-key clearing. Clearing this 200 as well. Should we try that? Should we try that? 27-cent bar. Wait, no. Yeah. I don't like this 20, man. It's conflicting as heck. Merc, though. I should have taken that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Here, first of all. I tried 5 lots here at the 107. Top at 106.80. Psych. If it could clear under this and start trending, I'm looking up here. Yeah, no. Could look for the 20 mix. Bar. Try to go to. There's that drop. Mark, Mark is failing. CVX is violent drop. This is the pause you're getting. If there's a violent elephant dropping down, stop here. Just like water. Here it goes. Let's see. May halt. Disney is starting to go. AMD. Is AMD gonna put in a 20 and may halt? Low key ranging though. Look at this low. Look at this low. They're the same. This high and this high. Relatively equal. But if this triggers 30 cent, 3 lots. That's 72. $72. Could try it at 72, 3 lots. But 100% retracement. This one now clearing the 20. Coming back to halt it. 3 lots at 72. Gonna trigger or not? No, it's not triggering. Disney. I will wait for it on Disney. This has potential to halt. But Disney is setting up how we want it now. Equal low, equal low. Able to break through. We'll look to add on the first pullback. Did that. This comes down and triggers an elephant right here. With 2 lots. Stop. App was just sideways now. Forget about that. AMD 20 maze flat. Nice fudge. This 5-minute 20 is gonna be resistance. But I look-y like the look of it because percent retracement. This one, 50% retracement with the 20. So if it does trigger green, it would be a nice location to go long. But yeah, MA's flat. Around at 200. Baba potential long right here. If it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it could clear over into like 90 whole number with the stop at 70. That's a 3 lotter right there. Oh, there's a 20-minute halt, potentially. Finally get a green ball and follow through. How about this better because, oh, shoot, the hook in at 92, stop at 68, and 2 minus 6. Smoking A right and this is trying to catch a new trend though. Disney is trying to play with the trend. Price should hold this 20-minute drop down. Apple. It's kind of a bit violent, but not violent, but like chill out a little. CVS could get under this. I'll go for it. 40. Entry at 40. Stop at like 5. 4 lots. It's the moment of truth right here. Does it go? Is it 3 lotter at 96? 3 lotter at 96 on Baba. Three loader at 96 on Baba. Need more oomph to that, more power. It's not that. 30 seconds to do something. Is it gonna do something? Oh, 12 seconds. Just had a 3-bar pullback and now it's going up. Has a buck to this 20, which is gonna be like 3 to 1. Is Disney setting up? Oh shoot, it's set up. 45. Psych, it's not going. Ooh! There is the 20 MA halt. Did trigger. Stop. It did trigger. Getting the new high now. 3 lots at 96. Let's just go for this last trade of the day. Baba plus 3 at 89.97. 20 MA halt. Event stop. Our stops here at 65. 65. Disney. Yes, this on AMD went. This did trigger at 96. Up at 65. Be back, y'all. I gotta use the restroom. And we back, yo. I'm doing that bullshit again. Trying to catch the move, the new move. Ooh. This was the move here, man. See, this one was different because it's under the 20. Trade about 50% is here, and now the 20 is there, halting it underneath. Color change here. That thing's tiny, tiny ass stuff. Got 1, 2, 3. But I'm stuck. See if this does anything. Apple's just messy. AMD's pretty. Disney, this was what we were waiting for. Equal low, equal low, equal low. Waiting for it to break through it. We got that. So we said we would wait to add on the pullback. We got the pullback, 3-bar pullback. You get like a tail bar right here. Triggers under. Stop here. The rest is history. Gotta get a new low for you to move your stop to break even. I'm over here. I'm over here trying to trade motherfucking big gap down. Of course, it's gonna go side. Do I really think it could pop up already? So we missed out on the two better move. This was good on Disney. All time frames looking good to go short. Nice. AMD. Yeah, look above. This might actually look like a continuation of the short, to be honest. On the 15-minute, as messy as it is on the 2-minute, look at the 15-minute. Boom. Pullback was below the 50%. And then it triggers under right here at 63, 62, 65 triggers. This is clearing low key to the downside. Stop me out and clearing. AMD 8, 15-minute 8 in the way. If this on the 20, this triggers one more time, I'll take it. I'm gonna only risk $50 though. Yeah, this low key might go down again. This bar just cleared this low. Stop is here, which on the 15-minute is this. Boom, boom. It put in a pause and got its rest, and now it's triggering again to go lower, even after such a massive down. This wasn't even the best because it got messy. That lost in the sauce again, man. There's Disney, the beautiful setup that we were trying to wait for. It happened, we didn't take it. Broke below, pull back, boom, boom. Now it's really working. Now it's cleared price. If this bar could close below this low-key might be a bit exhausting, but overall the trend is starting to go down. 1 hour is good to go. All time look good to go down on this. Entries would have been at 45, like a 9-lot entry. 25 cents on 9 lots, that's like up $200. Disney was Look at this. Boom. Pick up drop. It's getting messy though. Apple. Forget about that. Disney. Disney here was trouble. Broke down, pull back. This win. Should have made money. We got the big bar trail over this right now. Big bar 8 MA trail right now. AMD coming layers of resistance right now. Yeah. GBI, green bar ignored. That's a potential short. $66. Oh shoot. Try 4 lots. It's hitting. Yo, this guy. What are you doing, bro? I'm recording. This guy trying to interrupt my session, yo. I'm trying this. Uh, bar 106.80. 23 cent, 4 lots. Yeah, that's valid. Yeah, what did it do here? Support became resistance. GG. minus 97 bucks. Jeez, I'm tired. I see. Yeah, this 15 is like the perfect location is short in this. Getting messy. Disney's the best looking one right now. Potential long here on JPM. This is clean on the mark. 52 was a stop. It stopped out of 54 2 cents, and it popped up. Square is looking cleaner. Yes, 8 trip 81. This looks the best though, in my opinion. Look at that 20 MA. Under the look at this tip. But this thing because it's a 5 minute short. Looking at boom, it's like I go up. All right, it's good to go up on Microsoft. Trade Microsoft though. How expensive? Expensive. Trick here. This is a 10 lotter at 29. Even tinier acorn right here. Still a lotter at 29. Up at 30. I could take this under 30. 1 cent earlier. Here we go. 9. $0.08 stop. Most definitely triggered. Waiting for the new bar. If it gets the new, I'm gonna lock in. Or even this is a big bar, so lock in the top. Big bar. Stop above this bar. Big bar trail. Let's take half off at 80. The whole number. Let the rest run. Because all time frames on this look good to go down. Look at it. Need a 2-bar break of this low, boy. Oh no. That thing is tailing hard at the old low. Oh no. Break even at least. This is an $80 stock. I should really wait for 50 cents on it. I think this could go down, man. Looks very bearish. The 5-minute just put in a 3-bar pullback to the 8 MA. Triggered beautifully. Got 1-to-1. I believe this should follow through. 15-minute just slowly bleeding. 1 hour should drop. Daily should drop as well. So ideally we break even on the day today, hopefully. At the bare minimum, make some profits at least. That should have hit with ease. See how easy it was to trade once it started going. Cleared this. Back, cleared that. This is TP area. I'm being stubborn. Not taking profits. It's gonna bite me in my ass later. Bro, I literally have only 18 cents on an $80 stock. My brother. It is already a risk-free trade. So I'm losing the old low. I'm losing the old low. Hopefully this is gonna bounce off that 8 MA. Come on. Support become resistance. Support become resistance. Next bar drop. I mean, if it's gonna get its rest in to run even further, I might take less off. Come on, man. How does the daily look on this? Daily looks good to drop too. Come on, man. Give me some follow through. Bar by bar. Was technically out on this bar. This is able to take out my profit. Take profit right here. I'll trail my stop above this. But if not, I don't know what to do. Believe in that 8 MA, I guess. Believe in that 8 MA to work its magic. Come on. We got support, turn resistance, 8 MA there. Let's get a big clearing bar down. Come on, man. Bro, this is literally 8 cents. 8 cents too much to ask for. Just drop. It looks bearish as heck. Just drop. Just drop, bro. If it triggers under this bar at 06, that's basically an ad. Oh 06. If it triggers under, if it gets to 05 right now, I'm gonna lock in this stop right here above 18, 19. No, you wanna drop, boy. Stop pretending like you don't. Stop pretending like you don't want to drop. $31 minus 19. Bro, that's like 12 cents. Bro, because technically this is an ad. If I hadn't entered here, someone would be adding here with their stop about here. So it's a valid stop. 05 if it triggers under, if it triggers 06 or 05 even. It's time. Come on, that looks so bearish. Just drop. I think I just trail there. Maybe leave like 2 lots. Two lots at break even maybe. If this hits my TP, I'll just move all my stops there though. And if the 20 gets below, I'm just gonna move on my stops here as well. Bro, are you serious? I didn't mean it like that. I'm getting tired of waiting, bro. Just gonna stop out. Really, bro? It was 2 cents away from TP and I didn't TP, bro. Now I'm giving up. It got to $2, 2 cents. Now my stop's at 19. If I stop out, I give up 17 cents on 8 lots. 136 bucks. Tough world, man. Tough world we live in. This bar could get under 06, 05 like we wanted to before, and then we'll be good. But if not, we won't be good. That's low-key an ad right there. 13 is probably right there. Yeah. Basically have my stop above all of these bars, so if it busts up, then it makes sense to get out. Really? This one really couldn't follow through. $79.80, that's 50 cents, right? I'll take like another third off there. Four lots. Because I'm going to get a new low if it drops through. And just leave 3 lots chilling. Or it all goes wrong and stops me out at 80.19. Above all of this. Should follow through down though. It's most definitely my last trade for the day. This is getting tiring just sitting here. Let it do its thing. I could tighten the stop down a little to 17. SPY is taking a hit right now. Potential 5-minute clearing bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it clears this, um, 2-minute is below. 2-minute 20 is below these highs now, so I might tighten my stop up by 2 cents, lock in $20. I want to let that thing just clear through. There we go. There's the clearing bar. There's the clearing bar. I should lock in this big bar. Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop on top of this big bar. E04. Just let it do its thing. Let me take a 300 on this because this thing low-key just got started again. Boom, MA is catching up. Boom, clearing bar. So it should probably go a bit further. It's like 3 cents off from that. There we go. We are now break even. We're not going to lose money today. I'm just going to go into trail mode now. go one bar by bar. Oh shoot. $79.81 on the bar by bar break. Might take two off here actually. It is pretty far compared to the other drops. Look at this drop. Look at this drop. This drop is pretty far. I just got wicked out, it seems. Well, that's what bar by bar is. And I got stopped out. 81. This definitely hit 81. Just gonna trail the last two then. Probably should stop this video, it's getting a bit long, and then update it later. Oh wait, pause. I'm gonna pause the video, and then when something happens and I do something, I'll update the video. I'll come back. We back, y'all. Looking for a possible ad here. Bar by bar was a good idea. It's pulling back. potential add on this EMA. Won't add too heavy if it triggers. Nice shallow pullback. Could trigger under 80. Let's see, 80. Low key, I could trail a stop like 50% of this bar because this bar is kind of massive. Probably get out one on the break of the 8. Probably middle of this bar. I'm gonna lock in half of this 5-minute big bar because it's pretty large. Boom, boom. Compared to the other red bars on the chart, you could obviously tell this one is bigger. Last lot going on the top of the big bar. Right here. That's a nice pullback on the 5-minute. If it does go, look, 1, 2, 3 triggers. This base is out right here, clears. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Nicely declining 8. If it stays here, you get a potential add on the 5-minute. This might be off the 13 again, bro. It is. Wish it was off before. Adding some back on. Well, you gotta see which MA is relevant, right? If you remove the 20 here, the 13 is pretty relevant. Here, it gets a bit questionable here, but you see what I mean? Just look at this base, off the 13, off the 13, color change here, off the 13. I added 2 more lots. Yeah, my average price is at $79.98. I have my stop locked at $79.98 as well. And it looks good on this because boom, 8 coming down. Ideally it holds. Okay, that doesn't look good. I might get out at 91. Why? Failed new low. It should have followed through. Here, pullback does trigger, does follow through for a second, but it was real. It should have closed, right? It didn't close. Solid. And where did it wick off from? You see this low before I pulled back? Yeah, that's exactly where it dropped to and was not able to break through. $79.91 is my stop. All right, we're out. This week should be a winning week. Nothing. Disney 0, AMB 0, Papa 0, Apple 0. We're slightly up for the day. How much was that win? We had a loss of 53 on Disney earlier. Now we're up 356 on Disney. So that was about plus 409. Alright guys, we'll be back for a review later. Yeah, it's pretty mature, the trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you see the low here? It did trigger a color change. And then it popped down basically to that low. Not able to close there, not able to close below. So you get the failed new low. Now you're getting the break of the 13, which was the MA that it was respecting for a nice while. Here, debatable, but it's back here. And then here, trigger. This thing could still possibly go down for the rest of the day, just on the higher time frame. The 5 minute. Low key, you get, it's kind of out of a base right here, but it is pretty far from the 20. It is pretty big. It's like one of the biggest red bars of the day, biggest and most solid besides this first one. And now if you look at the 5, wait like 30 more seconds, but look, it's about to close above the 8. And maybe even disrespect this big bar right here at 80.03. That's like 10 cents up. We'll see if it breaks the 8 right now. Gets above 96 for the 2-bar break. It's starting to close above now. Maybe it might trigger and go short again, but at this point, I'm pretty sure the 20 on the 2 probably got broken as well. Oh shoot. Let me make that easier to see. Or actually, it's right on it. So maybe it might go down again. But I took a lot of trades today. And it's freaking 9:10 a.m. It's lunchtime. I don't be trading during this time. So we could sit here and observe, but what have we already observed? Pretty mature trend, which already put in like 4 or 5 legs. You get a failed new low right here. You could start breaking right here. If it wipes out this big bar, like it's pretty much over. Wide state. But still potential. Still potential for this thing to bleed for the rest of the day. There it is, triggering off the 20. Before it triggered off the 13. Failed. This time it's triggering off the 20. Could potentially go. But 5 minute is also about to break the 8 MA 2-bar break if it triggers over 97. And then once it gets to 80.03, it already broke this big bar. Alright, I would say that debatable. It's getting messy. It's getting messy. Let's wait and see if we get 97. Oh, yep. 98. Alright, let's call it a day. Done. 0, 0, 0, 0. No open orders. Alright, thank you guys. Be back for review at 1 o'clock. Peace.